So let me show you how to convert BNB to Solana in Trust Wallet. After you open the Trust Wallet, now go to the swap section. So from this swap section, now tap on the first option. Now tap on it and tap on this site and search for BNB. After you search for the BNB, now scroll to down and select the second one, BNB. So from the second option, tap on it like this and search for Solana. After you search for Solana, now tap on this network section. So on the network section, now scroll to down and go ahead and find the Sol network, or you can just choose this one, all network. So after you choose all network, as you can see now here, it will give you the Sol. Here is it now. So after you select the Sol, now specify the amount of the BNB you want to convert to Solana at the top. So go ahead and type in, let's say 20 BNB. So here it will give you the equivalent of the BNB of the Solana you're getting by giving the 20 BNB. So I will be getting 79 Solana if I give like 20 BNB. Then tap on this swap button. Now it will swap your BNB to Solana. And that's it guys on how to convert BNB to Solana in Trust Wallet.